Me too. Let's go.
Fucking drop.
Yeah, baby!
Ooh, get the mic fixed. Alright. And we're back. So me and Ashton are gonna be running a little two-gun action tomorrow morning. He's first shooter. If one comes in, if two comes in, we'll give him a little
double team.
A little, a little double team. But right now, we got one bird shredding. I got the small lens on so you guys can't really see. That ain't gonna help. Got one bird right there. And then we got 3 toms coming right through here at some point here. So
Don't know where they're going, but hopefully we'll find out.
yeah, we're gonna probably watch them until they get up in the tree, and then we'll make a game plan. If we gotta go after the one just for Ashton, that's fine. But if we can go after these 3 lone toms, I feel like that'd probably give us a better chance of calling them in. So we'll keep you guys updated, and hopefully we see these birds go up in the tree in the next 30 minutes or so. So. He's just strutting away. Yeah, there's definitely like those might all 3 be toms.
The one was strutting. That's a head right there.
Yeah, on the right. We got 3 setters.
Yeah. There's the one over here, the 2 hens.
Got a bird roosted right there. Ashton saw him fly out.
Middle of that, you see, kind of see like where it looks like the woods goes in.
Yeah.
It's right on top of that.
Alright. He's ready to go. You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm a little tired, but I'm ready.
Let's get her going.
Yeah, it's flashing. On the way to our spot.
Roosted. Can you see me? Oh yeah.
A little bit, yeah.
Roosted 2 birds last night. One for sure Tom. The other one pretty sure it's a Tom. But they're in one set of woods. So we got quite the walk back, but then we got another Tom with a Jake and 2 hens roosted in another spot if all fails at the first one. But so either way, we're going after 1 Tom for sure at each. So Ashton's gonna be first.
My main gun, Jaden's backup / double up gun.
If we can get a double, perfect. But if not, you know, Ashton's the main priority here. So just gotta get him one, and hopefully it's his big 30-pounder.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, we'll probably update you guys when we get to the spot. But hopefully we can get her done quick and easy here in this beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. try it. Oh, we fucked that up. And there they go. Oh, shoot.
I don't know if we deserve a post hit.
Well, things didn't go as planned.
Not at all.
But the shot that Ashton got wasn't the best kind of angle. He kind of had to do a...
Birds are right behind us. Had to try flipping around quick.
Had to do a army SWAT.
By that time, the birds,
Lateral.
they were giving us a little jog.
Yeah, but very eventful morning, so hopefully we can make a move on some birds either right now or tonight. We could put something together, but we'll make adjustments. We're good. So we'll update you when anything cool happens. Wrong side of the road. You should probably do it. You should probably do this.
We're back at it. Heading back out. We're gonna head over towards some public over in Berlin area, Green Lake area. See what we can find.
Looking for some midday birds running along. So
Yeah.
probably it's hot. It's warm. Sunny.
65.
Sunny and 65. It's 1 o'clock right now, so hoping a lot of hens are going to their nests and we can just catch some lone toms running around.
Got some spots in my head. We'll go check them out real quick.
Yeah, we need to make sure we have a rebound after the mishap this morning.
Yep.
You know, we're energized and we're ready to roll. That's all we need. Found one. Way back there on some private. About to go ask for permission. See what happens.
Just got to the spot. Gonna try repo in here. Well, it's not really reaping, but it'll walk up on them. Tag them. Birds about property over. I found some woods. We'll see if we can pull them over here. Probably a good mile walk. Good cardio day. Alright, and there goes Friday. Oh, there's the mic too.
Just hold it now.
So got over to the Berlin area, talked to a really nice farmer, and then we saw a tom, the one we talked about earlier, tried approaching it, got there, set up, started calling a little bit. Him and his buddy came running in, but they wanted to stay on the neighbor's side, so we had no shot at him. And then he spooked, and then the area he spooked to, there was more toms at, so
I go left or right?
left. So we approached those birds, snuck up on them, sat up, and they're giving us a little look, but And the Rams came and screwed that up for us.
It's not our day.
Not our day. And then we did one more sit where we thought birds would be roosted, just based off what the guy was saying. And we saw one end, but I guess it was bearded.
Apparently, from what the guy says.
Might be the move tomorrow or Sunday, whenever we go out next.
Well, guys, I think Ashton has a curse, but
yeah, gotta break the curse. 3 years strong.
real quick.
We'll be back out Sunday. Probably we'll see if we'll roost birds tomorrow night or not.
They probably will.
All right.
See you
guys Sunday. Yep. All right. 9:55, gentlemen.
After unfortunate events last night, didn't wake up this morning.
That's right. That's right, because we're going to go after him now. We're going to check out a spot we have permission on. And if that doesn't work out, maybe drive around a little bit, head over towards Berlin again.
Yeah, trying to refrain from going too far on Mother's Day and all, but got Fairy Jerry in the back here with us. So, got him on the killing team. So
Happy Mother's Day to any moms that are watching.
Yep. If any mothers want 15% off an Only Outdoors hat.
Only available Mother's Day.
Only available.
Better get going.
But seriously, you guys want a hat? DM us on Instagram. Got an order coming. So, if you guys want one, let us know. We'll ship you one. $25. Premium.
Premium quality.
Yep. They're going quick. They actually are. They're selling pretty quick. So,
we'll update you if we see anything. And yeah.
Alright, let's get it done. I'm making a move on one right now. Ashton, get the gun on your shoulder. He's probably gonna come to our left. Make him move your leg, move it now. Shit. He's probably moving, that's why he's not got one. You see him? Just shoot the one if you can. Wait, where are they? I don't got him. Wait. Shoot him. Oh, fuck. Don't move. Wait. Kill him. Kill him there. Oh my god, you dusted him! Wait. That's what I call a broken curse right there, ladies and gents. Haha. Oh.
They were getting too far to my
I know, I couldn't find him in the camera. I could not find him. That's why I was like, wait. I and then I finally got them in the camera because I went too far left, and then I just saw their heads. Ha ha! The scope help you? Well, I was about to shoot. I was trying to, but I saw him for like a split second, and then he was in the way of the. That's a big bird. I know, it looks big. There we go. Got her done. So that's the end of this one, though. But.
It's just a little ditch chicken.
Yeah. But yeah, it was a struggle, but here he is. So this is a well-earned bird, we'll say that. But so
3 years of struggling.
Yep, 3 years. The curse is broken. But yeah, that'll about do it for this one. So we'll get this out soon. But if you guys want a hat, like I said, DM us on Instagram, and right here, DM us on Instagram. And we'll see you in the next one.